All right, we're still in chapter 14, the Geospatial Lab Application 14.1. We've created our window. Now we're going to copy and move it. So the book gives you a bunch of instructions about clicking on the Move tool. Let's get it out of here. Let us undo this. Okay, so it gives you all these instructions about the Move Copy tool. Instead, what I recommend doing is making sure the window's highlighted, like it is here in blue, and then I'm just going to copy and paste with Control-C and then Control-V, and see how I have that window moving around. The other thing the book tells you, make sure you don't put it on another face by pushing it too far back, but you should be okay. So we are dragging our copy of our window right at the new 13.5 foot distant construction line. So we're going to put it right here on this side of it. And then I'm going to type, let's see if this works. So the /3, and then let's try enter, see if that works. Nope. So let's try it now. Let's try it. So I clicked once onto /3. No. So we'll have to add these windows in manually, but we can, oh wait. Oh no, we didn't. Okay, let's put it back where it was. So we'll go copy paste, and we'll add this one in. I wonder if they give us measurements of how far apart they are. They don't really. So we'll just do our best to place them evenly. Puts it right here, and we'll copy and paste again, and we'll add it in here. I'm not sure what is happening with this one, why it has all these additional ones. Let's get rid of this one because I don't like the way it looks. Okay. And then we'll add this one in. So they're roughly equidistant apart. I don't know why it's doing that, but I'm not too worried. Alright, so we're creating windows across the building, so I'm just going to move that over, and they want a 6 foot line from the edge. So we'll go back up here. So we're 6 feet from the right hand side of the building. So this was 3 feet down, right? Yeah. No, it is. Well, I think I made it 3 feet down, so we'll go 3 feet down. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's undo. Oh. And then we're going to draw one here. So no. Okay. Now we're going to take our point and measure in 6 feet. 6 feet? 6 feet. This is where I have trouble. Hang on. Alright, so I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. I'm going to go all the way over to this line because this is allowing me to kind of stay on that line and back up to 6 feet to approximately 6 feet. Oh, it's just... Let's see if I can measure 24 feet. Okay, 18 feet. Let's get this one line there. 24-ish feet. And then we'll do this guide. And then maybe we can work our way backwards. So this will be... What are we doing? 6 feet from the right side. So let's try this again, see if we can get 6 feet here. All right, we got 10 feet, 8. Okay, let's do that. We have this one over here. So from here to here is about 10 feet, so we're going to try to draw that line next. Since we can't draw that, it won't let us draw 6 feet. Alright, that's probably as close as we're going to get. So, parallel, and then we'll try that 6 foot one again and see if it'll. Oh my gosh, so frustrating. Let's try zooming in. Okay, there's 5.5, 5.5. Alright, we're just doing that because that's tired of fighting for the 6 feet. There we go. Okay, so we got our guides on this side all drawn in all for us. And what are we doing? Alright, so I clicked on this button to open some of these components. I clicked the wrong button. This here is our components button. We'll click on the little house. We can see we've got our window right here. We'll click on the component itself, and then we'll drag it to the face of the building, positioning it properly with that construction line we just drew. So that's 6 foot construction line. There we go. So we'll add another one in here at that 13 foot. And since let's see. Oh, and then we're going to add in all the windows. So there's a total of 18 windows. So I'm going to do that, and you can do that too. Okay, actually, they just want 2 sets of 4 windows. And notice here, this is not perfect, so don't try to be perfect. And then I ask you to rotate and add 18 windows on each other side. So you'll go through the positioning, copying it, and then add in the copies. And then you'll get all those nice windows that you're seeing on 537, and then you can start adding in your textures to the building.